The county, the governor is the chief executive. And the governor needs to be given powers and respect that he deserves. But when you have a situation where a non-elected person appointed in the name of county commissioner, regional commissioner, giving orders for property of people to be destroyed, we said, Shetani ashindwe. Shetani ashindwe. We don't want to go back there. You know how oppressive that system was. We don't want that system to be reintroduced here again. We welcome our brother from Uganda, Kizza Besigye. And you know the kind of struggle Kizza Besigye has been through. He knows what it means for an election to be stolen. I sympathize with him as he sympathizes with me also. But Rome was never built in one day. The struggle for democratization is an ongoing process, and we should never give up on this struggle to make our country better, to ensure that elections have a meaning, that the votes will be counted as they have been cast, and the correct result will be announced. He himself is a victim, as we are victims, but he must continue to move on. So here today, I'm not going to speak a lot. I know that the people are suffering today. The cost of living is very high. Gharama ya maisha imepanda. Bei ya unga imepanda. Bei ya mafuta imepanda. Bei ya sukari imepanda. Gorogoro imepanda.